We come to this place of worship to share a moment of great joy with Jonathan and Candace as they commit their lives to one another, the presence of God, and you, their family and friends. No doubt today at this altar, the dreams of youth are realized and the prayers of parents are answered. It's our hope and prayer that the purposes of God for a new home will begin to be established through your commitment today. There's a couple of reminders today. We've already had one, and we'll have one in just a couple hours that remind us why we want Christ at the center of our life. The sun rose this morning at 5:52, and it's going to set this afternoon or this evening at 7:54. The Bible tells us that God calls the sun to rise in the east and he sets it in the west. The book of Colossians tells us that by him all things are created, and they are all created for him. And in verse 17 it says he holds all things together. And the sunrise and the sunset each day just reminds us that when he's at the center of everything, he holds us together as well. And so I encourage you to put him at the center of your life and at the center of your marriage. Jonathan, Candace, you've been waiting for this day for months and weeks and hours, it seems like. We've talked about it. And now it's finally here. But that got me to thinking about waiting. Everyone seems to be waiting. Waiting for a train to go, or a bus to come, or a plane to go, or the mail to come, or the rain to go, or the phone to ring, or the snow to snow. Or waiting around for a yes or a no. Or waiting for their hair to grow. But everybody's just waiting. Waiting for the fish to bite, or waiting for the wind to fly a kite, or waiting around for Saturday night, or waiting to play, or maybe just waiting for me to say, you're now husband and wife.